Hello, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel here. And for my first video, I'd like to show you my stash I have here. Okay, first off, we have Princess Power. I believe it's a fountain, a handheld fountain that you just hold in your hands. And let me see here. It's made by Thunder Pyrotechnics. Never heard of that company before. But yeah, it's it says emits shower and sparks. Safe and sane. So I guess we can use this in California. Next off, we have Happy Lamp. Yeah. Supposedly just emits showers of sparks and spins around and pops up, lights up, and whatever. Next up we have here is Ladybugs. Emits showers of sparks, spins, and rises in the air. Yeah, this is supposed to be really cool for everybody. Next up, I have here. It says artificial satellite. If you could read that there with the camera. I got a pack of these, and this should be a lot hours of fun for everybody. Okay, sorry, I have to be serious here. This stuff is all free stuff that I got when I purchased Fireworks in Missouri. And basically, when you buy, stuff, a lot of stores give you free items. And what I've done here was I was cleaning up the garage and I found a bunch of fireworks, or mostly novelties and whatnot, that I completely forgot about. And usually it is from leftovers from previous years or items that firework shops gave me. And I just thought to let you guys see what's in the box here. First, other than these things that I've just shown you, here's some other stuff. Tons, or I wouldn't say tons, but a bunch of cheap little bottle rockets. One by TNT, their basic one. Moon Travelers. More Moon Travelers. Moon Travelers. Okay. These just given to me. They just throw them in my bag or box or whatever when I make my purchase. Next up, some jumping jacks. Black Cat, made by Black Cat. Let me see here. We got here sparklers, more Black Cat stuff. Another Black Cat jumping jack. Oh, here's something. I'm surprised I haven't used these yet. It's a tube parachute using standard 1.5 tube. Cardboard, of course. It says paratrooper machine gun fire. So basically, this is a parachute with a little army guy there, and then it emits little crackles imitating gunfire. Next, we have here is another parachute. It says glow on it, so has some anime looking girl on it. I shot another one similar to this, but which was male characters in different colors, so it's kind of like a Power Rangers Super Sentai vibe to the whole series. But yeah, it fires parachute with the army guy there, neon green that is. Let me see another one we have here. Oh, all right. Whistling chaser. Standard whistling chaser. It whistles and it pops, or crackles, or reports, whatever you want to call it. Nothing special here. It was just another free items, which I have a lot of. Okay, let me find some more stuff here. All these novelty items. I have no idea I had so many. Hen laying egg. Basically just sparks and crackles. I believe it's crackles. Yeah, emits flaming pellets. Cheap. Another jumping jack. Camo smoke. Okay, everyone kind of knows what it is. Just emits smokes. Ooh, this is a name brand whistling chaser by TNT, which I just let you know that normally. Actually, I'll talk to you more about it later because I'll tell you my opinions on some of the big names, which a lot of them I don't really care for, like brands like TNT or Phantom. But that's another story on another video that I will get to later. Let me see here. Another one here. Smoke tube. Another smoke tube. Okay. Ah. Mini Roman candles. Oh, this is a partially used one. The Green Hornet by Black Cat. I have one left. I guess we can fire that off later on. I have no idea what this is, but they charge $3 for the pack. So Bobby was one of those buy one get one free. But it's a Spin Dragon by Winda, which is one of my favorite firework brand. So basically, yep, emits showers of sparks on the ground, probably spins. Here you go. $3. Wow. Buy one get one free. I would say the store probably paid 50 cents for these. All right. I got 3 of these hand grenade combat grenades smoke device. Yeah. Emit smoke, small. Let me see here. Military grenade pull string. Another smoke device, larger. Basically, they just shove the tube inside a plastic casing and then call it a grenade. You pull the string, which acts like one of those pull string crackling novelties you see. It's similar to those party favors, the confetti mini champagne poppers. All right, we're getting close to little items here. Ah, these little zippers, zigzags, or whatever you want to call them, that shoots up in the air and it makes a zzz in the air. No, I'm not going to repeat that noise. Zigzag, Shazam, different names, same thing. A very small pack of jumping jacks. Snakes, you've seen them all. This one by TNT. Again, not one of my favorite. Well, actually, I would say that TNT makes good products. Same thing with Phantom, but to me, they are overpriced. And well, like I said, I'm gonna explain everything about the brand names and my opinions on them in another video. And and when I go shopping, I'll tell you my opinions on different stores that throughout this through time I'm going to do tours of local shops around here and make probably travel a little bit farther than normal to visit other shops and make videos of the tour of the stores here. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. Crackling crawfish. Now this little fountain crackling ground effect is very, very, very good. Actually, I enjoy this. It's a long duration that it's fun for kids and it's cheap. We see here. Oh yeah, thunder snaps. Basically, uh, mini firecrackers that you do not need to light. Just throw them on the ground. They look like firecrackers, and produces a pretty loud bang for what it is. And again, these are pretty much all free that they tend to throw in my retailers. This one, this 5-ball parachute Roman candle, basically by World Class, another one of my favorites, which is also known as Jake's Fireworks, one of its brands. Yeah, I don't think they make these anymore because I haven't seen them, and I'm surprised I have one left. Basically, a Roman candle that shoots off parachutes, which I thought was cool. 5-ball parachutes. I don't know if I should light this one up, but anyway, it is what it is. Neon master missiles. Just bottle rockets, another term. Probably nothing special. Just shoots off in the air and pops. Just a gimmick. I'll test it out. Probably make a video of it if it's any good. But basically, I just think it's a normal like these, but just different colored wrappings. I'll let you guys know. And that's about one more. Actually, not one more. I still got a few more. 2-color spaceship by TNT. I guess it spins and zips up in the air. I haven't tried this yet. Another free item. And I got 3 mini cakes that they tend to throw in. I got others, but I'll show that in another video. This is just me just unboxing this box of a variety of stuff that, like I said, that I completely forgot I had or leftovers from previous years or whatever. Anyway, World Class. It's a mini cake. Add it again. How many shots is this? It's 9-shot mini cake. Shoots flaming balls. I don't know if I should make a video of it because I'm sure there will be a couple already on YouTube. I'll try to be original as much as possible. Another one. Cover Your Ears. Another one by World Class. Shoots flame balls. 7 shots. Paid $2 supposedly, but I did not. And last one. Giggles. I bought this. I'm really impressed for what it is. Paid $3 around that. Probably a little bit more, but for a 7-shot and what you get and the effects is really, really good. Another one by World Class. Anyways, yeah, that's it for now. I'd like to thank you for sticking with me on my first YouTube vid. And just, we'll get better things. I'll promise you that. Tours of nearby fireworks shops and others. Let me see here. Nothing else. The only thing interesting that happened to me of the last few days is that a friend of mine asked me if he wants me to split a case of Excaliburs with him and his cousin. So why not? $35+ plus a dollar or two for a for here Excalibur. Uh, with we're just splitting the case. I already got a couple cases already, but uh, one or two more doesn't hurt. Anyway, thank you for viewing. I will I will make more videos as soon as possible. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.